Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number, and let me try to find it right here. As you can see, we do not have to scroll. All we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter it to confirm, and right now we are a developer. So we have to find a proper section. Let's enter the system. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can change the animation options, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, because we've got also the Wi-Fi and USB configuration. So quite a lot of options. And if you want to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from to customize. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back, probably to the About Tablet or turning off the settings completely, but as you can see, all we have to do is to simply pick another section. The developer options will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.